You want to start a YouTube channel, but you still haven't recorded a single video, you haven't posted it out there because you are second guessing yourself. You're telling yourself, what if I create a video and I put it out there and no one watches it? Well, guess what? Every YouTuber started somewhere and they had 0 subscribers. Their first video probably didn't get enough views. They started from 0 basically. And every start starts from 0 to somewhere. Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ims, and today we are talking about how to simply start your YouTube channel and keep growing. So you've just got to press record basically. You want to press that dial, record yourself, record your first video, because think of it like planting a tree. When you plant a tree, you don't expect to have a big tree and a shadow tomorrow. No. You plant and then you water and you shield from wind and everything, and it grows slowly but surely. And that's what a YouTube channel basically is. You planting seeds with each and every video that you are uploading. So you just have to plant enough and learn from the process and keep creating better content and keep planting. As you do this, eventually over time, you will grow. It will be a big tree with fruit and a shade, of course. Picking a niche, ask yourself, what is that thing that I like talking about even when no one is listening? Because you want to pick something comfortable, something that you can continually talk about, something that you can learn, improve on, and keep sharing content about. That's what the niche is really all about. I'm a photographer and I have a channel where I talk about photography things because I'm so passionate about photography, and I have a business, a photography business, where I also create videos. It only felt right for me to create that channel, because it's part of who I am. And so it's impossible. I will not run out of things to talk about, content to create about, because that's what I love doing. And so that's what it is with you as well. Do you love painting? Do you love construction? Create a channel around the construction. Do you love styling people clothes? Create a channel around that. Are you a makeup artist and you want to create your channel around how to do that? So you step into a niche that you are already in, that is already a part of you. That's what make this content creation thing easier as you go. And also, when you create it around a business that you already have or something that you love doing, it sort of helps to advertise and put your work out there as well, and sort of helps you with clients as well. What if you tell yourself, this topic I want to create my channel around has already been done, That is just your negative brain telling you that. Remember that you are different and that you are very unique. Like your ethnicity, meaning your background, your voice, your looks, this is something that can work for you. There is no one out there doing this content the way that you are about to do it. So remember that. Set up your YouTube channel. If you have a Gmail, it's easy. You just go into your Google account there, you go to YouTube, and then you hit create a channel, bang, and there you have it. You give your channel a name, whatever name you want to give it, because that name is like a username that you can change anytime you want, anytime you feel you need to change to make progress. So don't overthink it, just go ahead and do it basically. Start with what you have. You want to start with what you have. You do not need a camera. If you have this thing, you have a phone, that is what you start with. The phone has a camera in it and it has a mic in it. So you do not need a $300 mic to mic you up, and you do not need a soft box, you know, to light you. So you basically just need to find a window where have natural light is the best, man. Just use natural light you up, and then start creating your content. Because in the beginning, in this case, done is better than perfect. You're not aiming to do perfect content, no. In the beginning, you just want to make sure that you are uploading 2-3 good videos, and you will improve over time. So don't overthink it. Don't stress too much about that, because remember, these videos that you are uploading are like your hello to the world, you know. This are like your hello to the world. And yes, you are going to look weird on camera the first time. Every YouTuber, every sensational YouTuber you know out there, go back and look at their first videos. They look weird, you know. They sounded squeaky as well. So don't worry too much about that. Just create the video and put it out there. Yes, you worried about feeling awkward. Yes, you will look awkward. You will sound weird, but that's not the point. It's about getting it done and uploading. It's about starting the journey, basically. And when it comes to editing your content, it's simply just cutting out the fluff. You don't need expensive software. If you use the internet, it's an online free software you can use, DaVinci Resolve. And if you have an iMac, use iMovie to cut out the fluff and just tighten your video so that it's clean and it's clear and people get the message, or yeah, the entertainment that you want to give your audience, basically. So when it comes to editing, you don't need to overcomplicate it. And over time, if you want to be sophisticated and be that editor with graphics, you can learn that over time. But as in the beginning, you just want to get it done and put it out there. And after you having uploaded your videos, it's also nice to watch your own videos like a viewer, not a creator, but like a viewer. And then ask yourself, if I was just a simple individual scrolling by on YouTube, would I stick around to watch this, you know? And then take notes of what is cringy in your video, what is bad that you can improve on. Do that in the beginning. Watch your uploads over to just jot down, take notes of what you want to improve in your next video. Yeah, and then it's very important to post your content on platforms that you love, that you yourself want, be it Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. I personally prefer YouTube, and all my content is for YouTube, basically. So post your content out here, and remember that you are building an online community, talking to humans, individuals. So if there is a comment on your video, respond, chat with the people, go back and forth to create a trust, to have people love you and love you enough to basically to come back and watch your videos next time, Yeah, man, honestly, I think your first video will have 6 views, and I told you it's going to have 5 views. Don't stress too much about it. When that happens, I want to let you know that it's okay, and this is how it is, Don't think too much about it and just keep creating. I felt like this is all I have to share in this video. Thank you so much for sticking around. Tell me, what is the struggles that you're facing in your journey of creating content? Because you clicked on this video, and if you were sitting and watched it all the way through, you were curious enough to know what I had to say in this video, meaning you also want to create content, or you are on a similar journey, So talk to me, reach out to me, write me an email. What do you think I should improve on, What did you like about the video? Please press on that like button to help push the video out to more people. Thank you so much for watching. I see you in my next video.